Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
Yuri, incredible.
Policy, wood grain staring with it, feel like a pirate ship. How many hot verses till you start acknowledging the pictures we've been painting, man? Connected to a higher power, high no, cause I don't write it, not thinking, man. Look, all I ever did was beat the odds, cause when you try to get even, it just don't even now, never.
Well, I'm at the gym right now, so in the parking lot, just trying to get myself psyched up. I've got my BCAs in this bottle. I'm gonna need to fill it up with water. And look at that. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but the parking lot it's full. So it's gonna be a MacGyver type of situation there where I have to hide the camera, right? Because I'm not allowed to be recording at this when it's full like this. So I'm gonna have to be like, bam, hide it and all of that stuff. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm getting psyched. I'm sipping on my pre-workout, and we're gonna see how it goes. Let's get it.
Apologies, that's my new lifetime policy. Wood grain staring with it, feel like a pirate ship. How many hot verses?
Yeah, I'm in the gym right now. As I told you, it was bloody full. So I'm starting with some chest exercises. I'm starting with the normal barbell bench press, but I'm gonna do it on the Smith machine because every bench is taken. And what I usually do is I know what I'm gonna work at, but I don't like planning my workouts in my head and I need to do this and that, because when you do that, if somebody's on the bench, what do? You need to be able to be ready. You know what I mean? You need to be able to change it up, but still get your workout done, and let's get it. People usually ask, how do you look for a training partner? It's simple as that. You just gotta look for somebody that is willing to push you, and you're also willing to push them. Because people say you need to find somebody that is stronger than you. Obviously, there's always going to be somebody that is stronger. So if I say that I need somebody stronger than me, and he's stronger than me, he's not going to want to work out with me, right? So you need to just find somebody that is willing to push you and you're willing to push them, and somebody consistent. Right now, I'm working on myself just because, and I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it, Tucker. I'm gonna get it. Get closer, I need to talk to the people, man. I don't know if you guys noticed, but when I fly at the top, I turn my wrist just to get a little bit of a squeeze in the top, a little bit of better contraction.
Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Let's get that incredible apparel in there.
Yeah, man. Speaking of which, you still haven't got your damn shirts. You better get your damn shirt. Say something cool about this, but I don't have anything to say. You know when you start working out so hard that your brain is just like, ugh. But you really have to get it. Show them the weight, my starting weight. And let's get it.
Let's get it.
Man, that's my favorite. There we go. thing. This is a tip. Changing your angles of the way that you're holding the machine attacks different angles of the muscle. That's what you need to do. We had to get another memory card because that one was full. Let's get this. This is a warm-up stage. Too easy. They say something motivational.
Yeah. Yeah.
The guns are out. I'm playing games now.
Yeah.
Look at it. Let me work.
Let me work. All right.
Look at that. Let me work. Told you I'm working. Look at that. And I'm working on faster. Faster. I haven't eaten.
Nice.
I'm feeling incredible.
Incredible.
Shameless plug.
Yeah. Nice. Light weight. Let's finish it off. I think we gotta import some new weights for this nigga right here. I think we gotta import a new machine and stuff like that. Where we gonna go after this? Where we gonna go? Yeah.
You know what? I guess I'm gonna have to open my own gym.
Oh, this nigga! Solid one. Incredible. Them trainees cause it's lightweight. Nice. Yeah.
Something that you should never ever do. Squat. What is it? Curling in the squat rack. I hate it when people do it. So I'm gonna do it today, right? No one is using themselves. I'm allowed to do it. Just wanted to ask you a favor, a huge favor. I see there's a whole lot of people, not a whole lot of people because the channel is still new. I see there's a bit of people that are watching the channel, right? I'd like to ask you for a favor. Right now, pause this video and go hit the thumbs up button, right? What happens when you hit the thumbs up button? The like button is just that it promotes the video. It's going to be recommended for other people to watch this video, so that's how we grow the channel. So if you do that, that will be greatly appreciated.